over in Round Lake Park with Muhammad. Looks like he's got the double 30. I think that should be sufficient. And then his furnace. We're converting this from the 80% to 96% efficient. The wall's probably about 8 feet away. You see it going out right over there.